Oh my gosh, is that Brailee Butler out and about? Look at her.
Got her so fast.
Good job. You got it?
Yeah, we couldn't get my shoe on my foot.
Yeah.
So
No shoe. That's fine. We're shopping for some beads at Hobby Lobby. Really wants to find beads similar to this one. Make cute necklaces. I want to make some anklets too.
or bracelets.
Yeah, bracelet. Oh, it's so cute. And Layla's actually been wanting to make some too, so. There's lots of pretty ones. These seem bigger.
Oh, these. No, those are too big.
Good job.
Oh, I like this.
Layla, I feel like something like a little pack like this would be better. So look for little packs like that. They're pretty cute. Try one more time. Nice. How are you feeling? How's that? Brailee's been needing to get out of the house.
It's just like crutches are so tiring.
Yeah. We were quick.
And my hands, cause like they're lower, so they don't like rub on my armpits, but then they hurt.
Have you ever had a lemon drop candy?
Yeah.
You like them? No.
When I was in Utah with my friend, they got those, but it was like pink lemonade or something, and it was so good.
Come here right now. They lemon drop candies remind me of my grandma and grandpa. And I saw them and I was like, oh, are you getting buckled?
Hey guys.
Hi, Layla.
Hey guys, can I go get food?
That was some good hula hooping. I'm just waiting to hear back from Dad. Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna go grab Winston really quick.
Go get Winston?
Yeah, because Gage has practice.
Oh, yeah.
And Winston's there, so we're gonna go grab him. Okay, get in
Oh,
your
I want
car
that
seat.
car so bad. Look how sexy that is.
Whoa. Get buckled.
That'd be so scary if you rolled or something or crashed.
So many things to think about when you're driving, Brailee.
I just want that Jeep. Also, can't people like steal stuff?
Yeah.
When I went with my neighbor, she has a Jeep like that, and every day to cheer, she would like have to lock everything in like a little console thing.
Yeah. It'd force you to have a clean vehicle, which is
Yeah.
something that I struggle with. I was just looking at the car. It literally looks like I just need to take a hose and spray my whole car down. Can you do that?
Mom, it's not letting me hang out with anybody.
What?
Oh, really? Me neither.
And
Why is it my fault? Why do I get
have
blamed for
anybody
everything?
to hang out with except Mom and Brailee.
Well, lucky you.
It's not lucky that I'm just bored at home.
I'm really feeling bad for myself
Why?
the past few days. Everything gets blamed on me. If people in the house aren't happy, whose fault is it? Mine. If I'm trying to make this person happy, then it's going to make that person not happy, and then no one's happy, and then it's my fault. Okay, well, we're going to go get Winston.
Their parents obviously love them
Dang,
more.
we weren't fast enough. Now someone just pulled in front of us. Now we don't get to pull forward.
Do you want me to?
Don't you hate it when that happens?
I'll pull my leg up and like.
Nobody cares. I was surprised at when we were at Hobby Lobby, people were like trying to like squeeze by Brailee.
I was like, what do they want me to do?
Like it was
They were, like,
kind of
sitting
like
there
busy in the
laughing.
bead aisle.
They're like sitting there laughing. I was like, do you want me to like quickly like bring
I
your
know,
legs
I
up
was
and
like-
you can run under me?
What? We're like, there's people on both sides. What do you like? Wait.
I have like a thing where when I look at people, like the emotions I feel towards them just comes on my face, and so I feel like I give them dirt like this. I was like,
You need to work on that. I also do that, but I really had to like work on it to be like, your face is doing it. Or if people are telling a story, then I'll mimic their facial expressions.
you're like,
Like, what? Oh, anyways, maybe we've just been in the house too much, so we're just like, people.
yeah.
Are we being rude?
And it's like
I'm
COVID got
not meaning to
lifted.
be rude, but it was just kind of like, obviously she's injured, like, give her a
And it takes
second.
me like more than like half
Yeah,
a
they were
second
just
to
like-
move. Also, they could have went around me.
Layla, why aren't you in your car seat? Here, I'm gonna open this while you're getting in your car seat.
I almost fought them.
And Mom, it's not letting me sit in a beautiful seat.
Excuse me? I said when you're 7, if you're big enough.
And Mom will let me drive a Jeep.
And Mom sucks.
And
know-
Mom, don't
you know
let
how-
me get to hang out with anybody.
You know how smart it would be to get a Jeep if you had a
And
torrent?
it's so rude.
I'm trying to tell a story. If you ever had a torn ACL, it'd be so smart to drive one of those Jeeps. Because you could just put your leg out of the door. Because then you won't have to
What if a bird hit it?
Or like a car,
about that?
or a car comes by and just takes off your leg. Hopefully they don't be driving that close.
Okay. I need a vacation.
Me too, can I come?
I literally was like, today I thought, what if I was just like, okay family, I'm leaving for a week. You guys figure it out. That's how I feel right now.
I'd probably be dead in my room because Dad never comes and checks on me.
I am dead for sure.
I just want someone to appreciate me.
I appreciate you.
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night.
Okay, what you making, girl?
My mom, necklace.
For me? For moi? I'm making Layla a necklace. Are you excited about this necklace? I'm just trying to make it a little longer because it turns out that Layla is no longer an infant. I mean, I don't know who's in denial about that, but
I'm
clearly
taller than you guys.
you're so tall. Anyways, I was making this and then it became very evident that it was much too small for Layla's neck. So I'm making another couple flowers here. Making it a little longer. When I was little, I think I was in, I don't know what grade, but like middle school age, junior high-ish age, I also loved beads and making necklaces. And I had a little kit and I would make these little flower necklaces and bracelets and anklets and things, and now they're back in style. And I can't really remember how to do it, so I'm just making it up. And I'm probably doing it wrong, which is fine because it still looks cute.
So
okay, I'm gonna tie this for you.
Yeah. For my life.
Did Brailee make that ring for you right there?
For Devin because it's too big for me.
Oh yeah, it is too big for you. First thing that happened is Brailee opened the beads and then Layla tripped over them and they spilled everywhere. And that sounds about right.
Yeah, I'm
Sounds
gonna do
about
all,
like what should be happening.
the necklace this color.
Oh, I like that color.
And a little bit of that color and a little bit of that color.
The beads were not on sale at Hobby Lobby this week. And it just pains me to pay full price when I know that something's going to be on sale. They no longer have coupons. So we bought one thing of beads, full price, and I'm waiting. And then I'm going to check back next week and see if the beads are on sale. And if so, we'll make some big bead kits. They're so pretty. Sorry.
Yeah, they are actually so old, but lucky.
They're not so old. They're from like a couple months ago.
Yeah, but lucky we found them because these are my favorite heels.
Yeah, lucky they were in a garbage bag that I had used to clean the car out and forgot about, and I couldn't figure out where everyone's shoes were, and it turns out they were just in that garbage bag from the car. Okay, we're gonna finish making some necklaces and then we'll show you what we're doing. Brailee is in there getting ready. Are you making more necklaces, Bray?
Yeah, I think later with friends.
Yeah, it's been fun though.
Yeah.
I forgot how much I love doing this. I mean, it's one of the many things that I hyper focus on until I get bored of it and then move on to the next thing. Like
Guys,
filtering.
look at
Who
all
knows?
of these.
Who knows what I'll be doing next?
And look.
Oh yeah, that's to protect the beads. Let's not lose that. That's actually probably good to have. Let's see. It's a Layla. Her little choker is done. Just 2 little flowers. Let's see. Put your hand down for just a sec. She's super excited about this little clasp. I thought that they twisted together, and then I was like, why aren't they sticking together? Still, I didn't realize it. They're little magnets. So I just got these at Hobby Lobby. They'll be really easy for Layla to take her necklace on and off. Excellent job.
Then we get to do.
Boink. Then you can take that on and off all by yourself easily. Whoa.
Sorry, guys.
Anyways, isn't that cute? Let me know. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I really should probably just look on Pinterest because I'm sure that it shows how to do the little... You got it?
Okay.
Yep, I'll hold your hair up. I'm sure it shows how to do the little flowers. I just like basically wrapped the... There you go. I just basically wrapped the string like in a circle. But I could show you guys how if you would like to see, so let me know.
Okay. Guys, do you want to see how I'm going to make my necklace?
Is this yours?
Yeah.
You need me to tie it in a knot?
I get to hold
What are you making?
I'm going to make these colors.
Are you making a necklace or a bracelet?
Necklace. And I'm going to use that color and a little bit of this dull pink and some of this green. And I don't know how to make flowers. So leave a comment if you want to make necklaces too, because this is so fun.
There's your knot.
I really want to make earrings.
Ooh, we can make clip-on earrings. I actually might have some. I'll look in my craft bin. I made clip-on earrings with Emmy a few years ago. And I might still have some of the clip-on earrings. And you can put different beads on them, or you can do different things like that. And you can do them.
Guys, look at all this pretty color.
One bead down. I always ask Layla if she wants to get her ears pierced. And for a little while she was saying that she did, and then I told her how it would hurt. I would feel like she would think I was lying if I just took her and didn't tell her that. And so ever since I told her that it would hurt a little bit, she changed her mind. Anyway, so I just told Layla when she's ready to get her ears pierced, we'll go and do it.
Yeah, but I have to get braces.
Yeah, you'll have to get braces later.
Yeah, I don't want to. I'm going to look silly with them.
No, you're not. You're going to look adorable. You look so adorable.
But I like my clean teeth when you brush them.
Yeah. The reason she's saying that is because the last time we went to the dentist, and this isn't the first time that we've talked about it, but Layla has an underbite. And so, of course, when I first started taking her to the dentist, we talked about that and what we need to do, like make sure everything is like comfortable for Layla. And she had mentioned that maybe around like 4 years old, we could kind of look into it more. So now that she's 4, when I took her to her appointment, she gave me the name of an orthodontist to just go in and have like a visit with and a consultation and just see what he thinks moving forward. She said normally they wait until kids get their 6-year molars so that they have something to like put the bracket on for the braces, and then they'll start to move the teeth. And I was talking to Layla, and then she said that she didn't want braces, and I said, well, I won't make you get braces until you're ready to have them, and I won't. If she really, really doesn't want braces, we won't do them when she's this young. Oh, I love it. We'll wait until she's older and feels more comfortable, so.
Yeah, because I don't want to get them right now because I am super scared. Actually, not because look at this necklace. There's 2,000 and another one on
I really love it.
my side and like my baby gloss.
So cute. Do you know that I had braces when I was in 3rd grade? So not that much older than you. And I thought it was very cool. Wait until you're a couple years older, and then I feel like that's the age when people start like making fake retainers, or maybe this was just in the 90s. But we would make fake retainers out of paper clips and things, and everyone wanted braces.
When Winston goes to Zayden's house, he don't let me come because it's only boys' night, and I don't get to hang out with anybody.
You're gonna hang out with me?
Yeah. But I want a friend.
I know. We'll have friends over next week, okay? Because your cousins will be back. That will be perfect, huh?
Yeah, every day.
Every day, because it's summer, and now we can play outside every day, all day.
Oh, yeah.
All day, every day.
And because I am home alone.
You're not home alone. Hello? Am I nobody to you?
Yeah.
Also, Brailee? Hang out with Brailee? Make bracelets?
And
necklaces?
look at these. Okay, well, let me show you how to do these magnets.
Okay, do you want to just grab one?
So we grab one,
Mm-hmm.
and then
Oh, it's a little bit hard, huh? Good job.
and
Oh, don't let them fall apart, though, because we want to keep them together so we don't lose them. Excellent. Oh, there it is right here.
how did you do that?
It's a magnet, so it just stuck together. Okay, you work on your necklace so we can see it.
Okay, let me show you how to do these.
No, it only sticks to the other magnets. These are all magnets. And that's why it doesn't stick to the bead. Did you show Brailee your necklace? Where is it? Oh, it's on the ground.